remember burning CDRs outside every single dive bar. Everyone chilled in the parking lot. Kinko's boxes filling up the trunk. We broke down on the 15501. AAA had to come and pull us up out the mud. Overwhelmed, all the merch was still in the trunk. We were wondering if the tour was still fucked. Blackberry days, I would talk to anyone. I was always late, I could never respond. Started getting paid, now they asking me for refunds. Learning how to wait till it all makes sense. Halos surround the moon, the sun